The events a couple of months ago have changed Pakistan's perception in the world. And it has, the tide has shifted in favor of Pakistan.
Certainly.
How's Pakistan balancing the relationship with the United States and China and other countries in the situation today?
Well, Pakistan has a geographical advantage. We have a poise which is perhaps unparalleled in terms of other nation states in the world. We are centrally located at a particularly strategic geography,
Right.
at a happening place. So it has been not an incident of today or an opportunity of today. 50 years back, United States and Pakistan,
Very good. Thanks.
came together. China came together, and Pakistan facilitated the first contact, diplomatic contact between two largest economies of today. Imagine they would not have been talking to each other had it not been for Pakistan.
Very true.
So Pakistan has not changed its geography. It's still the same.
Yes.
If we could be trusted today for such a secret contact and not a whiff got out, we could still be trusted today beyond the politics in the economic domain as well.